Why did the weight loss program start with a big bang? Because it needed a lot of momentum. Welcome to our video on how to lose weight. Are you tired of feeling bloated and unhappy with your current physique without having to leave the comfort of your own home? Well, have no fear, because we're here to teach you all the secrets to shedding those extra pounds and getting the beach bod of your dreams. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips and strategies for achieving your weight loss goals at home. From healthy eating habits to effective exercises and everything in between, we'll be covering it all. So, whether you're new to weight loss or just looking for some new ideas, make sure to stick around and watch the whole video. Just remember, this is not a miracle solution. It takes hard work and dedication, but we promise to make the journey as funny and enjoyable as possible. But before we begin, let's just remember, with great weight loss comes great responsibility, and also great new wardrobes, so start planning your shopping sprees now. There are several things you can do to lose weight at home, including 1. Eating a healthy, balanced diet that is lower in calories. This means making sure you are getting enough nutrients while consuming fewer calories than you burn. This can be achieved by eating more fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, and by limiting processed foods, added sugars, and saturated fats. 2. Increasing your physical activity. This can be done by engaging in cardio exercises such as running, cycling, swimming, or brisk walking, as well as strength training exercises to build muscle and boost metabolism. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity activity most days of the week. 3. Drinking plenty of water and limiting sugary drinks. Drinking water can help you feel full, and it is essential for proper bodily function. Limiting sugary drinks like soda, juice, and sweetened coffee and tea can help reduce calorie intake. 4. Getting enough sleep and managing stress levels. Lack of sleep and high stress levels can lead to weight gain. Aim for 7-8 hours of sleep per night and find ways to manage stress, such as through meditation, yoga, or exercise. 5. Tracking your progress. Measuring your weight and body composition regularly can help you stay motivated and make adjustments to your diet and exercise routine as needed. 6. Making sure to follow a consistent routine. Consistency is key when it comes to weight loss. Having a routine and sticking to it can make it easier to maintain healthy habits over time. 7. Consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. A healthcare professional or registered dietitian can help create a personalized plan that takes into account your individual needs and goals. They can also provide guidance and support as you work towards your weight loss goals. That's it for our video on how to lose weight. Losing weight at home is definitely possible, and it all comes down to making healthy lifestyle choices. Remember to focus on a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and managing stress levels. And don't forget the importance of tracking your progress, having a consistent routine, and consulting a healthcare professional if needed. We hope you've learned something new and are ready to start your weight loss journey. Remember, it's not just about the number on the scale, it's about feeling healthy and happy in your own skin. And also, don't forget to treat yourself every once in a while, because a healthy lifestyle doesn't mean giving up pizza entirely. In conclusion, losing weight is a journey, and like any journey, it requires patience, perseverance, and a sense of humor. We hope this video has helped you to make the journey more enjoyable. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And remember, with great weight loss comes great responsibility, but also great compliments from friends and family. Happy weight loss journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.